Well, it's been a minute since I made a video on YouTube. I'm not going to show my face because there's no point in me showing my face, so I'm just going to show off something anyway. Yeah, I've been away. Been busy doing things. Yeah, just want to show off something that people could invest in if you really wanted to. This is my car. And yes, it is, clearly an old-fashioned car. Yeah, it is. But yeah, it is rocking new tires. Pretty well paint job for its age. It's 26 years old. I mean, you can't complain too much. Got a newer motor in it. This is just the exterior of my car. It's so shiny you can see your reflection off the car itself. On the inside is rocking old-fashioned technology, right? So you think 89,000 miles, 911. Focus camera. That's a good boy. Got aftermarket stereo in here. You have all you need. Chrome plated, got room in the back. I mean, and you turn it over, 89,000 miles, right? Then you plug in your radio aux, turn the sucker up, right? You can rock with some new songs here, but I'm not complaining as I get a copyright strike. But yeah, you got new stuff, got radio in here, but I mean, you gotta look at the old technology here. You got literally tape and glue because this stuff's so old, but it works. Yeah, I mean, tinted windows. This car here rides real well for its age. And people just always want to judge old cars for what they are. And let me tell you, this car here might be old, but it might be old, but it still drives a phenomenal transmission. So here we go, we'll go for a little spin. And it's 50 degrees out here in the cold weather, and we're about to drive the car. So I gotta smooth that thing shifts. Shifts work really well. You don't even have to cruise in it. You could just sit there and cruise control with it by itself. I mean, for what you got in this thing, it works. Aftermarket speakers, custom rims. This thing drives like a champ. Here comes an old Buick right here. I'm about to ride beside. Look at there. That's a Buick Regal, I believe. No, that's a LeSabre. Yeah, see, his has a better condition than mine, but it has all aftermarket stuff on it. So, automatic 3.8 V6, 180 horsepower. It has a lot of stuff in it. And it has a crap load of horsepower on it. Crap load of horsepower. People want to just judge it, man. There's no point of judging this classic 26-year-old Buick Century. The original Buick Centuries had a 3.1, and I have aftermarket 3.8 from a Regal in here with 89,000 miles. So this thing drives like a champ. Good brakes. Everything you need's in this car. And people just want to judge it for what it is. I don't understand it. It's not a bad car. So, well, yeah, just making this little video to demonstrate what money could do. Insurance is cheap with this thing too. That's what's crazy. Aftermarket everything. Rides smooth. Just, it is what it is, guys. Old car driving down the block. This thing came from Georgia to get up here where I'm at currently. AC, heat. There's a popo driving by. He doesn't see me on my phone. It's illegal now. Yeah, guys, that's the DeVille over there I'm looking into. You got your interior. You got your AC controls here. Yeah, you know, you're smoking cigarette shit, but I don't smoke, so I don't worry about that. Yeah. There it is, guys. The point of view of driving a Buick with a custom motor. So, I mean, you can't judge it for what it does. That's not barely even holding the throttle. Barely holding the throttle. That thing flies. I'm kind of in the city. I can't book it, but I can drive it. No copyright strike today. But yeah, guys, that's the car. Got a radio and aftermarket. You got, you know, your cushion seats. This is the thing for my grandmother, but she uses that to sit in. It makes it comfy for her. You got, you know, got your own seats. Not leather, but heated. It's nice. So, tinted windows. It's pretty dark in here actually for 15% tint. Yeah, that's that, guys. And that's all it needs. And just, you know, get out and lock your door or your key fob. And that's the Buick. Rockin' Dip. Take it easy, guys. See you next time.